Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best blenders of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best blenders. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Vitamix Ascent X5 blender is a premium high-performance blender designed for home chefs who want professional-level results. Equipped with a powerful motor and advanced blending technology, it effortlessly handles everything from smoothies and frozen drinks to soups, nut butters, and homemade sauces. The blender features 5 preset blending programs, allowing users to create consistent recipes with a touch of a button. Its variable speed control and pulse function provide precise texture customization for every dish. The sleek touchscreen interface is easy to clean and offers a modern look that fits beautifully in any kitchen. Built with durable, high-quality materials, the Ascent X5 is engineered for long-lasting performance and reliability. Self-detect container technology automatically adjusts blending settings for optimal results with compatible containers. Whether you're preparing healthy smoothies, meal prep ingredients, or gourmet recipes, the Vitamix Ascent X5 blender delivers exceptional power, versatility, and convenience for everyday culinary creativity. Number 2. The Nutribullet Blender Combo is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to handle everything from smoothies and shakes to soups and sauces. Powered by a high-performance motor, it effortlessly blends fruits, vegetables, ice, and other ingredients into smooth, delicious creations. The combo includes a large blending pitcher for family-sized recipes and convenient personal cups for single servings, making it ideal for both meal prep and quick drinks on the go. Its multiple speed settings and pulse function provide precise control for different blending tasks. The durable stainless steel blades ensure efficient performance and long-lasting reliability. Cleanup is simple thanks to its dishwasher-safe components and easy-to-assemble design. With its sleek appearance and powerful functionality, the Nutribullet Blender Combo is a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing nutritious smoothies, protein shakes, or homemade sauces, this blender delivers consistent results and makes healthy eating more convenient every day. Number 3. The Vitamix Propel Series 510 blender is designed to deliver professional quality blending performance for everyday kitchens. Powered by a high-performance motor, it effortlessly handles smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, and results. Its variable speed control and pulse function provide precise texture customization, allowing you to create everything from silky purees to chunky salsas. The durable stainless steel blades are engineered to tackle tough ingredients while maintaining long-lasting sharpness. Featuring a spacious BPA-free container, this blender is ideal for preparing family-sized meals or multiple servings at once. The self-cleaning function makes maintenance quick and convenient. Simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap for fast cleanup. Built with Vitamix's trusted quality and durability, the Propel Series 510 combines power, versatility, and ease of use in one sleek appliance. Whether you're a home cook or a health enthusiast, this blender is a reliable choice for creating delicious recipes every time. Number 4. The Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce countertop blender is a powerful kitchen appliance designed to make blending fast, smooth, and effortless. Equipped with a high-performance motor and durable stainless steel blades, this blender easily crushes ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients for perfectly blended smoothies, shakes, and sauces. Its 48-ounce capacity is ideal for preparing drinks and meals for the entire family, while maintaining a compact footprint that fits neatly on most countertops. The intuitive control panel offers multiple speed settings and preset programs, allowing users to achieve the perfect consistency for every recipe. A sturdy pitcher and secure lid help prevent spills during operation, while the sleek modern design adds style to any kitchen. Cleaning is simple thanks to its easy-to-remove components and dishwasher-safe parts. Whether you're making nutritious smoothies, creamy soups, or delicious frozen desserts, the Chefman Obliterator delivers reliable performance and exceptional blending results every time. Number 5. The AIRMSEN 11-in-1 hot and cold multifunction blender is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation and beverage making. With its powerful motor and multiple blending modes, it can handle everything from smoothies and milkshakes to soups, sauces, and baby food. The hot and cold blending functions allow users to prepare both refreshing drinks and warm recipes in one convenient machine. Featuring an easy-to-use control panel and several preset programs, it delivers consistent results with minimal effort. The durable stainless steel blades ensure efficient blending, crushing, and mixing of various ingredients. Its generous capacity makes it suitable for families, while the self-cleaning function saves time after use. The blender's modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, combining style with practicality. Whether you're making healthy smoothies, creamy soups, or nutritious meals, the AIRMSEN 11-in-1 multifunction blender offers convenience, performance, and versatility for everyday cooking needs.